Good morning, students. Welcome to English class. Today we are going to discuss the next topic of writing skill, that is biosketch. What do you mean by biosketch? How to write a biosketch? A biosketch is a short one or two paragraph summary of any person. किसी भी व्यक्ति के बारे में एक या दो पैरों में लिखी हुई समरी होती है. A complete biography includes all aspects of a person's character. जो कंप्लीट बायोग्राफी होती है वो किसी भी व्यक्ति के जीवन संबंधित उसके पूरे कैरेक्टर, लाइफ, अचीवमेंट्स के बारे में बताती है. वाइल बायोग्राफिकल स्केच इज मच शॉर्टर. जो एक बायो स्केच होता है वो काफ़ी छोटा था उससे. एंड मोर स्पेसिफिक, इट प्रोवाइड्स ओनली स्पेसिफिक इंफॉर्मेशन. अ बायो स्केच शुड इन्फॉर्म द रीडर्स अबाउट द पर्सन. एक बायो स्केच को क्या करना चाहिए? रीडर्स को इन्फॉर्म करना चाहिए उस पर्टिकुलर व्यक्ति के बारे में. एंड गिव दैम एन ओवरऑल सेंस ऑफ द पर्सनस कैरेक्टर. Whenever you write a bio sketch, then you always use past tense. Look at the example. Given below is a profile of Rabindranath Tagore. Write a short bio sketch of him. You may take help from the clue given below. बर्थ कब हुआ इनका? कलकत्ता में हुआ है, कलकत्ता में इन 1861. वेल्दी फैमिली में यंगेस्ट थे सबसे ये. एजुकेशन एट होम to England incomplete. Early poem at 8. First collection of poems at 17. 7 volume 1893 to 1900. Epitaph, the Shelley of Bengali poetry. Stories 44. 1891 to 1895. Famous for Gitanjali. Nobel Prize कब जीता इन्होंने? 1913 में. नाइटहुड हेयर इज नाइटहुड क्या है? नाइटहुड एक टाइटल है, उपाधि है एक. 1915 में मिली थी इनको. एंड सरेंडर्ड 1999. सरेंडर कब किया इन्हें इसको? 1919 के अंदर. प्रोटेस्ट अगेंस्ट जलियांवाला बाग हत्याकांड. फाउंडेड विश्व भारती 1901. डेथ 7/8/1941. रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर was born in Calcutta in 1861 in a wealthy family. He was the youngster. He got education at home, went to England for further studies, but came back soon without finishing schooling. He started writing poems when he was 8. His first collection of poems appeared at the age of 17. Between 1893 to 1900, he penned 7 volumes. This earned him the epitaph, the Shelley of Bengali poetry. Between 1891 to 1895, he wrote 44 short stories. Publication of Gitanjali made him famous, and he won the Nobel Prize in 1913. He surrendered, means return, knighthood in 1919 में as a protest against जलियांवाला बाग हत्याकांड या मैसेक्रे, नरसंहार. In 1901, he founded Vishwa Bharati. He died on August 7, 1941. Here is another example. Given below is a profile of William Words, the famous romantic poet. Write a short biosketch of him. You may take help from the clues given below. Birth 1770, Cockermouth. Education St. John College, Cambridge. French Revolution influence. Marriage 1802. Poet laureate, it is also a title. 1843 में मिला था इन्हें. Death 1850. Famous lyrical ballads. Father of romantic poetry. Democratized poetry. Poet of nature. William Wordsworth. William Wordsworth, the father of romantic poetry, was born in 1770 at Cockermouth. He was educated at St. John College, Cambridge, and was tremendously influenced, too much, बहुत ज़्यादा प्रभावित हुए थे by the French Revolution. He married in 1802 and was appointed poet laureate in 1843 with his book titled Lyrical Ballads. He became famous and was welcomed as the greatest poet of nature. He died in 1850. He is one of the greatest poet of English literature. To know about nature, mankind, one can study his poem and thoughts. So, dear students, today we have discussed the next topic of writing skill, that is biosketch. So, I request you to listen it twice and thrice to understand each and everything, and keep this thing in your mind. Whenever you write a biosketch, then you always use past tense. Till then, thanks and have a nice day.